set up a little bit ago. Here's my setup. I'm 3 sticks high. And then what I'll do, I have my head mount. That's what I wear my GoPro on. I've got this Gorilla camera arm with the Tactacam 6.0. That way I can film. And then I've got my longbow hanging up here, sitting in a tree saddle. Holy smokes, I just smoked a giant. Just smoked a stinking giant. Oh my goodness. I shot him right there at about probably 10 yards. I had a doe come over. I was praying. I was like, God, please let me pick the right tree. Man, I almost set up over there. My wind is blowing that way. That buck came perfect right up this ridge here. And I mean, I smoked him. Thank you, Lord. Oh, good gracious.
Go.
All right, here he is. He's a freak buck. He's got 7 here on his left. He's got 5 on his right. He's really tight, but you know, he's got some real cool tine length, beam length. You know, he came in and did exactly what he was supposed to. Came in, gave me a 10-yard shot and hit him perfect right where you want to. He ended up running down this draw. He went about 200 yards, but here he is. Thanks for watching, y'all.
I'm sitting downwind of this bedding area in front of me, and about 10 minutes ago I heard something slipping down the edge here, and I turned around and looked, and there was a coyote, and my wind is blowing right to him. I don't know if it's a male or female, but anyway, before I had a chance to reach over and grab my camera or anything, I wanted to make sure I could get this dog shot. It's like 20 yards from me right there, but a beautiful coyote shot and just dropped him right there. So getting ready to walk up and show you some video footage of that. And anyway, I'm gonna drop some of the footage in here from Mark's hunt as well. So should be a good little piece together hunt. I wish I would have had the shot on camera, but it just wasn't possible. But anyway, hopefully you'll get to enjoy this hunt. Pretty cool. First coyote. Wow. Here it is. I've got my buddy Mark Damron with me. He's probably about 300, probably closer to 400 yards from me. He's back that way. So we walked in and he's sitting where I killed that big 10-point a couple years ago. Big old Missouri public land buck. Big 10-point.
All right, here he is. Beautiful 10-point. I shot him. He was chasing a doe. I don't think I got it on film, but he came in and that doe was running. He was right behind her. I tried to stop him. I like tried to at him and or whatever, and he just wouldn't stop. So I shot at him. He was about 100 yards. He was just kind of trotting, and I hit him, you know, right behind the shoulder, right where you want to. But beautiful deer, and I'm really excited I got him. So thanks for watching. If you hadn't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks.
He's sitting right there. As soon as I left him, I wasn't gone for 5 minutes because we got in a little bit after daylight, but he had a 6-point come running up to him right at 30 yards. He's got my GoPro, but he couldn't get any footage of it.
You got her.
How's it going, guys? Got my first kill this year, 2022. Ryan Leaman's taken me under his wing the past few years, taught me what he knows. And first kill, got a doe first time. Pretty excited about it.
My dad is sitting in the same spot where I killed that 10-point a couple of years ago, and then where Mark killed that doe at this year. So when Mark was there, he's seen 7 different bucks. So hopefully my dad can get a shot at one of those deer. Well, I've got some good news. I just heard a gunshot about 600 yards from me, and texted my dad, and he said he just shot a doe. So this will be his first muzzleloader kill. So I'll probably start slipping that way, and I don't know if he dropped or if there was a blood trail we got to follow or whatever, but I'll bring you the footage. 9% sure I just found my dad's deer. Yep, he smoked her. Good looking deer. Good looking deer. Big doe. Really big doe. Man, he hit her perfect. Right where you want to. Awesome job. Well, go get him, come back and take care of him. Alright, should we not tell him and just let him blood track it and see? I don't know. We'll see. Alright. I don't know if you can see him, but there's my dad right up there. So, anyway, let's see what he has to say. Looks like some leaves are kicked up right there. I ain't seen the first speck of blood.
You know, I don't know about the scope and how on it was. We haven't shot that thing in a year. And we obviously didn't have time to go to the range this year. But being that close,
Doesn't look good, does it?
there it is right there. You saw it.
Man.
You just walk up on it?
Yeah. I was walking through and just seen shining. The sun was hitting her hair. Smoked her. Look, there's some blood.
You know, that's right where I was aiming too.
Yeah. Drilled her. Doesn't get any better than that. It's a big body deer too.
You all along. I was sitting up here where you killed your buck a couple years ago. You've always seen does come through there and deer come through there on the edge of that bottom.
You want to kneel down, make sure you're in the frame?
Anyway, so the funny part was I was sitting there thinking I haven't had much of a chance to hunt this year. I went to Colorado for a week and heard elk, never saw any. Never could get close enough. And I really haven't had much of a chance to hunt whitetail since we've been, this fall just been working and just a lot of stuff going on. So I think if I'm thinking right, this is only the 4th time I've said.
Yeah, that's probably right.
Well, I'm trying to think here.
This is my 5th sit, so this is your 4th sit.
Well, one of them's really not a sit. Because the day before you shot yours, I was in that. I got up like for an hour and 15 minutes. The next day, I was climbing in the tree when you killed your buck, so I just got down and came to you. I went one other place by myself, and then you and I sat last in that cold last Monday. So actually, this is the fourth time. Probably a total of 5, 6, maybe 8 hours, 11, maybe 9 hours total, in 3 sits, and or 4 sits. Not a lot of time anyway. Hadn't seen a thing all hunting season, and I was thinking about that, and then when I turned around, here she was coming through that bottom. It's the only deer I've seen this whole hunting season while I've been in the woods, or elk for that matter. So
good deal.
that made up my mind I was going to shoot her.
Yep. Congratulations.